Sydney Solar Solutions pride ourselves on providing a range of pool heating solutions to Sydney families.
Proud partners of Magen Eco Energy.
Sydney Solar Solutions is the preferred Sydney dealer, providing the #1 selling solar pool heating system in the world, with over 400,000 systems sold worldwide. With nearly 20 years of experience, our team of trained professionals offers unrivaled advice and service. This experience delivers invaluable advice on installation locations, product selection, energy efficiency, and suitability.
Backed by a 25-year warranty, Heliocoal not only offers the most durable product on the market, but also the most efficient collector distributed in Australia, as certified by the Solar Ratings and Certification Corporation.
Passionate about sustainability, we strive to deliver a service unique to residential and commercial pool heating clients, saving them time, money, and energy. Don't be fooled by cheap imitations. Heat your pool and extend your swimming season for as little as $1 a day. Call Sydney Solar Solutions today for an obligation-free quote.